Lanlin is at Zhenwanhui. Over 100 sets of doors and windows to enclose balconies. You guys definitely haven't seen before. Two 250 square meter apartments combined, resulting in a massive 500 square meter flat. The design and style of the doors and windows selected. Today I will take you to check it out together. This is what's included in the 225 square meter layout. This is the entrance area right when you open the door. So we installed a single seamless piece of glass for him. Zhenwanhui is also located in the main urban district of Zhonglu. There is actually quite a lot of greenery looking out from this perspective. It is just like looking at a painting. What we made for him is, after going through such a long renovation process, the inside is extremely clean after the deep cleaning. It is precisely because of the ceiling strip. If it gets dirty, you only need to wipe it gently and it will be completely clean. This side is the double-height ceiling living room of Zhenwanhui. This is also part of his 225 square meter layout. The customer had the sliding doors replaced because he felt that after replacing the sliding doors, it slides much more smoothly when opened. People always want to enclose it to make the space inside the home a bit larger. But do you really lack that little bit of space? I think leaving it like this, not enclosing the balcony, is also an exceptionally great design. It is connected to the one next door. This balcony is allowed to be enclosed. We made an openable window for him, opening directly towards the door. This way, it achieves proper ventilation. A fixed glass panel was made on the side to place curtains. This way, it won't affect our ability to open the window. Later on, this area is where two balconies are joined together. We made one for him. When you want to go to the living room, this way, firstly, it provides ventilation, and there is no handle on the outside of the door window. So coming from the living room to our side, however, we can go over from inside the room. This ensures the privacy of the bedroom. This side is our enormous kitchen. Isn't it extremely convenient? There are windows on both sides. On this side of the Chinese kitchen, an openable window was installed. Sometimes when we cook dishes that have a bit of a strong smell this way, it can disperse the smell even better. This space also has the right conditions for this setup. It can be opened to both sides. The ventilation area is exceptionally large. Over here is the Western-style kitchen. Relatively speaking, it doesn't involve as much heavy stir-frying as the Chinese kitchen. So, ventilation considerations might be slightly less of a priority here. The Western kitchen focuses on, we made another one for him. This side is a tea tasting area. We created a design like this to place items like the host's teacups. So we opened a window on one side for him, making it completely symmetrical. The most important thing is that we opened it all the way to the bottom. No horizontal transom profile was added. Doesn't it look incredibly beautiful and high-end? Considering this platform, what if a child climbs up here? So we added a glass safety railing on the outside. Going through this hallway, we arrive at another area. I want to show you Avery large master bedroom. There is also an especially beautiful children's room, full of childhood vibes. This is the walk-in closet. The bathroom and master bedroom form a suite. So its area is also extremely large. Over here, we designed an openable window for it to create cross-ventilation with the door. Looking out is just pure glass. This is the area around the bed. We also designed an openable window here for him. The doors go all the way to the ceiling. No glass safety railing was installed. All of the windows, we also used low glass for him because the sun exposure time at Zhenwanhui is actually extremely long, and since 3 sides are made of glass, heat insulation is also very important.